Okay, so here's what I got. These are the ones I just done. I got green beans in the first one, lettuce, loose leaves lettuce in the second one, kale in the third one, cauliflower in the fourth one, broccoli in the fifth one, and then head of lettuce in the fifth one, in the sixth one. I'm sorry. And then in these buckets, I have I have cucumbers in here, um, in the green bucket. In the blue bucket, I have carrots um, in the blue bucket. I know it says green okra, but that's not what's in those. And then in the bottom bucket here, on this one right here, is I have tomatoes on this one. Now those are going to be there, and I'm gonna write down the dates and everything on how long it takes to germinate those and get them up and stuff. That's on the stuff I just the red, the blue, the green, the blue, and the red. I did those probably about 2 weeks ago. And then the white bucket, the basketball buckets, I just did those now. Okay, so then over here on this side of the yard, where I had to redo for the water line and all this other stuff, so I had to put some stuff, my mulch and all that stuff. Had to redo it a different way. But once we got everything down, I came back over here with bell peppers. Also got I got bell pepper. I got what I got over here. Um, Gotta think about stuff. I got bell pepper over here, and I got kiwi. That's also here. So bell pepper and kiwi is on this side. Uh, then on my major garden right here, which I got to do this whole entire bed and get it all prepped and prepared. But I'm gonna come back with bell peppers in my garden and tomatoes. I already got the tomatoes in, but I got to get this whole entire area completely done and get it all tilled up and everything to do that. Then that's over here. Then over here on my part here is where I was putting my stuff here. Now on this one here, I got carrots. I got a bell pepper on this one as well, but I got carrots. I also I have what else I got here? Carrots, onions, and it's one more. There's one more. I gotta think what it is. I know it's another bell pepper as well. Now these are the ones that I got done up, and those things. What I'm gonna do for the yard is I'm gonna actually get the yard redone, as I told y'all guys before. But I'm actually gonna do the yard myself, and I'm gonna make my whole entire yard out of a garden bed, the whole front yard, including my side rails and everything. And then I'm gonna clean all my weeds and everything up. So this is my garden. Y'all have a blessed one.